Hey everybody, I am so excited to be here with you today to show you the Elle Studio June 2020 products. So first I'm going to start out with the June kit, and it comes all neatly packaged up in this little package with all of the tags and die cuts all put right in here together. I'm going to take these apart and show you everything that's in the June kit. Okay, first up we have the June die cuts. There's lots of circles, there's labels. This one says in the pool 100% yes, watch me. These are so fun. The second sheet has some tabs, some phrase tags, summer tradition, love this, summertime, and the living's easy. So really great for summer stories, and a beautiful color palette too. Those kind of set the tone for what you're going to find in the tags this month. Let's check out the 4x6s first. We have Summertime Happiness, which I really love that one. A Pretty Teal. And this Blue Star, which I really love too. For our 3x4s, we have these. You could put an icon stamp in there. The icon stamp came out in May. Really fun to use. Add your journaling there. There are stars, little tabs. I love that color scheme. Super fun. Ice cream cones. We're going to see more of those later. Everyday details. I love this kind of sherbet feel here. Rest and relax. Evidence of summer. Notes from today, a sunshine, have fun, work hard, be nice. That's a great one. Documented, that's a really fun card. Perfect for 4th of July, as is that star one too. Super fun. Let's go on a bike ride. A lot of people are doing that right now since we're all stuck at home. Photo of the day. You can put your photo in the middle of there. This is a really fun graphic, and you're going to see this later too, but I love it. It says summer fun. This says early sunrises, sunglasses, flip-flops, family and friends, barbecues, ice cream and popsicles, good times together, and late sunsets. And then that really fun striped card. So let's take a look at all of the coordinating add-ons. The thing I love about Elle's add-ons is that you never have to second guess if they're going to match or not. They work seamlessly together. First up we have the June labels. So I'm going to turn them this way so you can see all of the phrases. Fun adventure, remember this, today was hard, good times together, notes from today, and one day at a time. Love those. Next we have two different sets of stickers. We have the summer stickers, which I love the fact that they have the phrases up here and then the labels, the tiny labels down here. Love that mixture. We also have the ice cream stickers, which have the ice cream cones, some phrases, one more scoop please, and then some things you can fill in yourself. This was favorite flavor, and I love this. You can check waffle cone, sugar cone, cup cone, treat yourself. I love it. So super fun stickers this month. Okay, sticking with some paper products. You guys are gonna just go bonkers over these. They're so cool. Chipboard stars. We just came out with chipboard in I think May, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you the thickness of this chipboard. It's quite thin, so unlike bulky chipboard that you have to worry about fitting it in your pockets and on a card, you don't have to worry about these because they're really thin and perfect. They're a perfect matte finish, so you could stamp on this. You could stamp on that one, you could stamp on this one. You don't have to worry about using StazOn ink with these. And they're beautiful, beautiful colors. I just love it. So there's chipboard stars and there's some phrases here too. It's a great set. Okay, let's go to some puffy stickers. Puffy alphabet banners. How fun are these? They're white, so they'll go with everything. They have some question marks, exclamation points, hearts, stars, and asterisks down here too. There's also an ampersand and numbers. So you have everything covered here. Okay, wood veneer. We're getting ready for the 4th, and so we have a 4th of July wood veneer. Next up, we have the vacation wood veneer. These are so fun. They say highlight of our trip, departure, arrival, favorite restaurant, vacation, eat well, travel often, sightseeing. We enjoyed this so much. There's a plane, there's a car, there's a camera, and then there's love this place. So great for summer memories. Next up for the wood veneers, we have the summer wood veneers. Sunglasses, sunshine, summer snapshots, which I love that one. Barbecue, let's go on a bike ride, beautiful view, a fun adventure, long walks, and outdoors. Okay, these are the acrylic bicycles. I'm going to take one out, put it on my hand so you can see here. Aren't those super fun? I just love them. Really cute. You could also color those if you wanted to with some permanent ink. Just really fun. Summer bicycles, sorry, acrylic bicycles. I've got summer on the brain because I want to show you the summer fun stamp. Remember that awesome icon that I showed you on the journaling tag? Well, there it is in a stamp. So you can make your own pattern paper with that one. You can do the same with this bicycle. There's a sunshine, there's a star, there's these sunglasses that are so fun there. This is a summer tradition, photo of the day. You have your days of the week there. Here comes the sun and then little stars. Really love this stamp. And last but not least, we have a new paper stack. Should we check out these gorgeous patterns? Let's do that. This is my first time seeing it too, so I'm experiencing the fun with you. So there's the sun rays, which I love. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. It's like a sunset, really. Super beautiful stripe. There's that fun icon again. Summer fun in orange. There's that like washi looking stripe, which I really love. Red hearts, and I love that they're little hearts and they go different directions. They almost look like arrows in a way. These are the orchid grid, an orchid grid. There's a stripe again, but then you have your cooler hues. Super fun. Green bicycles. And remember, you get 2 of these in each stack, and they're 6 by 8. You don't have to worry about adhesive on the top of these guys. They're already loose. White with gray polka dots. Here's some waves. Love these waves. Love that that teal color going from light to dark. There's your pretty light blue stars and a dark blue star, which I love that one. So there you have it. Those are the new Elle Studio June 2020 products. Be sure to check out the link in my video notes to see all of these products in the Elle Studio shop. And while you're there, click on the link to subscribe. Subscribers get perks like bundling and special sales each month. Plus, you can cancel your subscription at any time. So you might as well just give it a go if you buy a kit every month and you want to get some add-ons and get those bundled with your kit. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing video. I hope you enjoy your new Elle Studio June 2020 products, and happy creating!